Section 3.5, Dividing Polynomials. In this section, you will use long division and syntactic division to divide polynomials. We can divide polynomials just like we can divide numbers. We'll use long division to introduce the idea and then move on to a more efficient way called the syntactic division. You will use these techniques frequently in Calculus 1 and 2. Okay, let's start with using long division to divide polynomials. Example 1, divide a polynomial 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x plus 5 by x plus 2. So using long division, we have here x plus 2 and here inside 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x plus 5. So the first step is you divide 2x cubed by the first term x. So it's 2x cubed divided by x, and 2x cubed divided by x is equal to 2x squared. So you should have 2x squared here. So that is the first step. And then multiply 2x squared times x plus 2. So 2x squared times x plus 2 is equal to, distribute 2x cubed plus 2x squared times 2 is 4x squared. So here we write it here 2x cubed plus 4x squared, and we are subtracting these two. So let's do that. 2x cubed minus 2x cubed is 0. Negative 3x squared minus positive 4x squared is negative 7x squared. Bring down plus 4x. And then we do the same thing like what we did here. We divide this time negative 7x squared by x, which is equal to negative 7x. So you have negative 7x here. And then multiply negative 7x by x plus 2, just like what we did here. Negative 7x times x plus 2. Distribute negative 7x squared. Negative 7x times positive 2 is negative 14x. So we copy that here, negative 7x squared minus 14x, and then we divide again. Subtract, sorry. And here, negative 7x minus negative 7x squared is 0. 4x minus negative 14x is 18, positive 18x, and then bring down positive 5. And then next is we divide 18x by x. So this is the third one. 18x divided by x is equal to 18. So we have here positive 18. And then we multiply 18 and x plus 2, just like what we did here and here. So 18 times x plus 2 is equal to 18x plus 36. So we have it here, 18x plus 36. And don't forget, we subtract this from 18x plus 5. And when we do that, 18x minus 18x is 0. 5 minus 36 is negative 31. So this is our answer. 2x squared minus 7x plus 18 and you have a remainder of negative 31. As you see in that problem, every time we divide polynomials, we can write the numerator as x plus 2, 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x plus 5 is equal to x plus 2 times our answer, 2x squared minus 7x plus 18, plus your remainder, negative 31. So again, we call this as a dividend, and this is the divisor, and this is the quotient, and this is the remainder. So you can rewrite this as, what was it given? 2x cubed minus 3x squared, x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x plus 5 divided by 2, x plus 2 is equal to our answer, 2x squared minus 7x plus 18, plus your remainder is negative 31 over the divisor x plus 2. So this is our final answer. Okay. All right. Can there be times where there is no remainder? Let's try example number 2. Divide 5x squared plus 3x minus 2 by x plus 1. So again here, x plus 1 here, and inside 5x squared plus 3x minus 2. So 5x squared divided by x is 5x. Then multiply 5x and x plus 1. 5x times x is 5x squared. 5x times 1 is 5x. We subtract so that 5x squared minus 5x squared is 0. 3x minus positive 5x is negative 2x. Then bring down negative 2. We do the same thing again. The first term here, negative 2x divided by x is negative 2. Then distribute. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Then if we subtract again, negative 2x minus negative 2x is 0. Negative 2 minus negative 2 is, again, 0. So this is like 0x plus 0. And as you can see here, that there is no remainder. So we can rewrite this 5x squared plus 3x minus 2 divided by x plus 1 is equal to our answer, 5x minus 2. So there is no remainder. Why did we get no remainder on this one? That's because the numerator are the factors. So just like here, 5x squared, where should I? Oops. (5x squared plus 3x minus 2 over x plus 1 is equal to 5x squared plus 3x minus 2. Factors are 5x minus 2 x plus 1 over x plus 1. Then we cancel x plus 1 and x plus 1. So that's why your answer is 5x minus 2. Alright, next problem. Example 3. Divide 6x cubed plus 11x squared minus 31x plus 15 by 3x minus 2. So let's write it here. 3x minus 2. And we have here 6x cubed plus 11x squared minus 31x plus 15. So this 6x cubed divided by 3x is 2x squared. And then multiply 2x squared times 3x and 2x squared times negative 2. So that is 6x cubed minus 4x squared. Subtract. So this is 0. 11x squared minus negative 4x is 15x squared. Bring down negative 31x. Then this divided by 3x again. 15x squared divided by 3x is 5x. And then multiply 5x times 3x and 5x times negative 2. So 15x squared minus 10x. So you subtract. So this is 0. Negative 31x minus negative 10x is negative 21x. And then bring down the last term plus 15. And then again, the first term here, negative 21x divided by 3x is negative 7. Then multiply negative 7 times 3x is negative 21x. Negative 7 times negative 2 is positive 14. And subtract. So that negative 21x minus negative 21x is 0. 15 minus 14 is positive 1. So we can write our final answer. Six x cubed plus 11x squared minus 31x plus 15 divided by 3x minus 2 is equal to, you have this answer here, 2x squared plus 5x minus 7 plus, don't forget your remainder, so this is the remainder, and the remainder 1 over 3x minus 2. So this is your final answer. Okay. Next is synthetic division. A more efficient way to divide polynomials. Long division can be long and cumbersome because we have to write every term every time. But there is a better way through synthetic division. This is going to be a lot easier. Okay? Alright, example number 4. Use synthetic division to divide 5x squared minus 3x minus 36 by x minus 3. Remember, this is your dividend and this is the divisor. The first thing that you need to do is change the sign of the constant in the divisor. So this is the constant in the divisor, minus 3. Change that sign, so negative becomes positive. So that should be your first step. Then second step is write all the coefficients of your polynomial, of the dividend. So 5x squared minus 3x minus 36, the coefficients are 5, negative 3, and negative 36. Alright, so what do we do here? So the first thing that you do is bring down the first number, bring down 5, and then multiply. 5 times 3 is 15, and then add. Negative 3 plus 15 is 12. And then same step. 12 times 3 is 36, and then add. Negative 36 plus 36 is 0. So we can write our final answer. We have 5x squared minus 3x minus 36 over your divisor x minus 3 is equal to, so here starting at 5, so 5x. So look at your dividend. The exponent of the first term is 2. You just have to subtract it by 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1 here. And then plus, that's positive 12, plus 12, and the remainder is 0. It's like plus 0 over your divisor x minus 3. But we don't really write this. So this is your answer, 5x plus 12. Okay, example 5. Use synthetic division to divide 4x cubed minus 10 plus 10x squared minus 6x minus 20 by x plus 2. So remember, the first number is change the sign of the constant in the divisor. This is positive 2, so change it to negative 2. And then write down all the coefficients. So you have 4, positive 10, negative 6, and negative 20. Okay, so next, first step is bring down the first number, 4, and then multiply. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8, and then add. 10 plus negative 8 is 2. Then just repeat all those two steps. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, and then add negative 10, multiply, positive 20, add 0. Okay, now we can write our answer. So you can write 4x cubed plus 10x squared minus 6x minus 20 divided by x plus 2 is equal to, the first number is 4, so 4x, the first exponent here is 3, minus 1 is squared. So this is like x squared, and in descending order, x, constant, and remainder. So 4x squared plus 2x minus 10, and remainder 0. So this is the answer. Let's try another one. Example 6. Use synthetic division to divide negative 9x to the fourth plus 10x cubed plus 7x squared minus 6 by x minus 1. So first step, change the sign of the constant in the divisor. This is x minus 1, the constant is negative 1. So we change it to positive 1. And then write all the coefficients. And starting with negative 9, then positive 10, 7. Oh, and take note of this. If there is no term for a specific power, write 0. So here, x to the 4th, x cubed, x squared, there is a missing term here. This is like a plus 0x. So that's why you're going to have to write 0 here. And then negative 6. Okay, so if there is a missing term, don't forget to write 0. Okay, so first step here, bring down negative 9 and then multiply. Negative 9 times 1 is negative 9, and then add 10 plus negative 9 is positive 1, and then multiply. 1 times 1 is 1, 7 plus 1 is 8, multiply. 8 times 1 is 8, 0 plus 8 is 8, 8 times 1 is 8, negative 6 plus 8 is 2. So given negative 9x squared plus 10x cubed plus 7x squared minus 6 divided by x minus 1 is equal to this is to the 4th, so this is going to be x cubed, x squared, x constant, and the remainder. So the final answer is negative 9x cubed plus x squared plus 8x plus 8 plus your remainder is 2, so 2 over your divisor x minus 1. So this is your final answer. Okay, let's work on some more examples. Number 1, if the division of a polynomial by a binomial results in a remainder of 0, what can we conclude? We can say that the binomial is a factor of the polynomial. And next problem, number 6, long division. Divide 4x squared minus 10x plus 6 by 4x plus 2. So long division, 4x plus 2. And we have here 4x squared minus 10x plus 6. 4x squared divided by 4x is x. Then multiply. X times 4x is 4x squared. X times 2 is 2x. If we subtract this, is 0. Negative 10x minus positive 2x is negative 12x. Bring down 6. And then again, divide. Negative 12x divided by 4x is negative 3. And then we multiply again. So negative 3 times 4x is negative 12x. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. If we subtract this, negative 12x minus negative 12x is 0. 6 minus negative 6 is 12. So answer, four x squared minus 10x plus 6 divided by 4x plus 2 is equal to, this is our answer, x minus 3 plus your remainder is 12 over the divisor of 4x plus 2. Let's try another one with using synthetic division. So x plus 1, positive 1, so we're going to use negative 1. And then get the coefficients. You have 6, negative 10, negative 7, and negative 15. Then bring down 6. 6 times negative 1 is negative 6. And don't forget, you need to add the two numbers. Negative 10 plus negative 6 is negative 16. Multiply. Negative 16 times negative 1 is positive 16. Add. Negative 7 plus 16 is 9. Multiply. And then add negative 24. So we could write the given 6x cubed minus 10x squared minus 7x minus 15 divided by x plus 1 is equal to, this is x cubed. So this minus 1 is going to be x squared, x constant, and remainder. So the final answer is 6x squared. It's like you're combining this. Minus 16x plus 9 plus your remainder is negative 24 over the divisor x plus 1. So this is your answer. Last problem, number 23. 4x cubed minus 5x squared plus 13 divided by x plus 4. Change the constant term. Positive 4 is going to be negative 4. And then get all the coefficients. So 4 for x cubed. Then negative 5 for x squared. Oops, there's no x. Remember, if there is no term for a specific power, write as 0. So negative 5, 0 for x, and then positive 13. So remember, bring down 4, then multiply. 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. Negative 5 plus negative 16 is negative 21, then multiply. Negative 21 times 4 is 84, and then add, and then again multiply. This is negative, and then you add. 13 plus negative 336 is negative 323. Let's check again. Your divisor x plus 4, the constant term, change the sign. Positive 4, this is now negative 4. And then write all the coefficients. So the first one is 4 here, negative 5, there is no x, so that's 0, and then positive 13. Bring down 4. 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. And then add negative 5 plus negative 16 is negative 21. Multiply. 4 times 81 is 84. Negative times negative is positive. And then add. 0 plus 84 is 84. 84 times 4 is 336. Negative, and then add this 2 is negative 323. That is correct. So we can write now for the given divided by x plus 4 is equal to, this is x cubed, so x squared, x constant, remainder. If you don't want to subtract number, if you forget that, you could actually, this is what I also do. I start from the very last, it should be a remainder. And then next to remainder is constant, x x squared. Just like here, remainder constant x squared. Okay, so this is 4x squared. Next, minus 21x, positive 84, plus you have a remainder of negative 323 over the divisor x plus 4. So this is your final answer. Okay, and that's it for this section 3.5. Thank you.